What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Clay's Coins. I believe competence creates confidence, so I'm here to show you guys how to migrate your MRI into MFC, because at the time of this recording, it's February 6th. What is tomorrow? February 7th. If that date doesn't have any importance to you, then you're probably not a Marshall Inu holder. But if you are, then you know this is the date of the migration and the launch of the new MFC token. Marshall Inu, otherwise known as MRI, if you guys didn't know, is migrating to become MFC, or Marshall Fighting Championship. They're also having their second ever event, live event in Dubai tomorrow, MFC 2. They have a straight up 145-pound killer. He's like the ranked number 1 or number 2 best fighter in the Middle East. I mean, it's crazy. I think he's the top knockout artist in Egypt. He's an absolute beast, and he's taken on a former UFC fighter. So definitely stay tuned to Twitter. Go follow them over there. But I'm going to show you guys how to get through this in simple steps. I'm actually going to do it with you guys. I have a little account set up here, and I'm going to show you guys how to do it if you're going from BSC to ETH, because that's what I'm going to be doing in this video today. I'm going to show you, if you have your Marshall Inu on Binance Smart Chain, how to get your MFC on Ethereum. To make sure everyone sees this video real quick, go ahead and hit that like button right down there. That would make sure that the algorithm knows that everyone should see this video pretty quickly, because this is kind of a time-sensitive subject. So hit that like button, comment down below when was the first time you picked up Marshall Inu and why. Alright guys, we're over here on MFC.world. MFC.world is the only website you should be performing this on. That is the official MFC website. Anything outside of that might be a phishing scam, so always make sure to check your website very, very carefully, and always check that URL bar to make sure you're clicking the correct links. Right here at the top, you can see MRI is becoming MFC. Read more here. If you click on that, it'll take you to a nice little web portal. The designers of this app did a great job, because MRI is becoming MFC, Marshall Inu to merge with and relaunch as MFC, the Marshall Fighting Championship. If you guys didn't know, Marshall Inu's 1-year anniversary is tomorrow, February 7th. So if you scroll down and get to this little portal section right here, it'll give you plenty of little options. How to unstake if you have your MRI staked. There's some frequently asked questions right here, which is nice to check out. And then right here in the top right that I'm hovering over as of right now, how to upgrade my MRI to MFC. If you click on this, it will take you step by step on literally every single thing you have to do to migrate. It's not many steps, but it shows you every step of the way. I'm going to show you real quick as I take my little Binance Smart Chain account and migrate that over, because I personally have an account with some Marshall Inu on BSC. I had that account set up for some low gas fees. Let's see how that will work. I'm going to do that live for you guys right here. MRI to MFC migration guide. Right here, we're going to click. I'm going to middle click that so I can open a new tab, and real quick, I'm going to sign into my MetaMask. All right, over here on the marshallinu.com/V2 website, make sure to check the URLs very carefully. This is what I got to by clicking this link right here. This is the official link. This is what I went to. I clicked on this. It opened this. So now I'm going to connect my wallet. Connect my MetaMask. Requesting connection. This is all right. Account 1 is the account I'm looking to add. So we're going to hit next. Connect account 1. Blah, blah, blah. Yes. All right. It is officially connected. I can see up in the top right corner my MRI, what the totals I have, and what network it is on. BSC, you can see the logo right here, MRI 23.2K, and it shows my wallet address. So, upgrade process. Follow the steps below to simply upgrade your tokens from MRI to MFC. You'll lock your tokens here first, and in return, once the upgrade period is over, you'll receive your MFC tokens right here on this page before trading on V2 is live. So, I just put in my max balance right here. Approve MRI token for upgrade. Click that right here. Confirm transaction in wallet. It's going to pop up and ask me. I have a little bit of BNB on here just to make sure the gas goes through, because I'm on Binance Smart Chain. Transaction successful. TX link. Lock your MRI right here. Successfully locked in step 1. So this will deposit your MRI tokens you approved above in the upgrade contract. I'm going to go ahead and lock them. It's probably going to ask me for another little BNB fee. Not bad at all. 19 cents. Let's go. Transaction is being processed. It was approved. It is now locked, and this is the final step of the upgrade process. The MFC contract isn't enabled yet. This button will be enabled as soon as the MFC contract is live on mainnet and has been filled with the MFC tokens. So, that is tomorrow. Tomorrow, February 7th, we will have this illuminated. As you can see, I can interact with it right now, but it's grayed out. Once it's illuminated, I can go in, grab my tokens, and they will automatically go to my Ethereum version of this wallet, because you know in the top right you can go to your wallet and you can select whether or not it's Ethereum or Binance right here. So bang, there's Ethereum. I have a little bit of Ethereum in there just for gas, so that when the change happens tomorrow, it'll go ahead and go in, I can approve the transaction, and we'll be all good. So, hope this was helpful, you guys. Right here it says, it gives me a little message. Congrats, you have completed the most important step. Sorry about that. You cannot go any further at this moment. Please wait until the MFC contract is live before continuing and receiving your MFC. This DApp will be available for you to withdraw your MFC tokens for a very long time. So you can come back at any time before or after MFC trading has gone live. Tells me how much I staged for the upgrade. MFC currently due to wallet. It'll show you how much, or it will show as soon as the MFC contract is live soon, and it shows me right now I have 0 MFC, but I'm assuming at the time it's going to go. So I really hope this was helpful, you guys. I wanted to make sure that I did this live for you guys, and probably did it in the most tricky way, which was not going from MRI on ETH to MFC on ETH, but even MRI on BSC to MFC on ETH. There's nothing really special you have to go, because the Ethereum and BSC versions of your wallet have the same address. It's just a different network you're going off of. So if they send Ethereum to your BSC address, it's still going to go to your ETH mainnet. You know what I mean? It's not your BSC and your ETH are going to be the exact same wallet addresses. So you don't have to worry about anything confusing there or losing anything getting sent to the wrong place. I just did everything live for you guys, and it was rather simple. Alright guys, now all we do is wait. That's going to be the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Go ahead and put a flexing emoji in the comment section down below, as you guys know. And because this is an MRI video, go ahead and put the boxing glove and the dog emoji down there, so I can know where my dog's at and where all my holders of MRI are. Thank you guys. I hope you guys see this video. Make sure to smash that like button so every MRI holder who needs to gets to see this video as well. Share it around on Twitter to make sure it gets around, because I know some people are visual learners and have a hard time with, just written script. A little video or watching a walkthrough helps, so I wanted to make this and get it out real quick. So, thank you guys. Take care of yourselves. Stay hydrated and have a great day.